Yo, what's up, everybody? We just touched down in, wait for it, the Maldives. The sunny side of life, as they call it. The air is warm, the sun is out, and the water is so blue it's almost fake. We're talking picture-perfect islands scattered across the Indian Ocean, white sand beaches that go on forever, and these little bungalows sitting right on top of the water. It's like something out of a dream. I've been getting so many DMs and comments asking me to come to the Maldives, and guys, you know I listen. So, we're finally here. Cameras are charged. Drones are ready. And we're about to spend the next week exploring everything this place has to offer. We're talking diving, snorkeling, exploring local markets, maybe even catching some waves. This is going to be epic. So, buckle up, smash that subscribe button, because you're not going to want to miss a second of this adventure. Let's do it. Alright, first things first. We're in Malé, the capital city. It's this crazy mix of old and new with towering skyscrapers right next to these ancient mosques and bustling marketplaces. You can literally smell the history here. First stop, the Hulhumalé Mosque. This place is insane. It's built with coral stone and carved with intricate designs. It's like stepping back in time. You can feel the spirituality in the air. Definitely a must-see if you're ever in Malé. Next up, the markets. We're talking fresh fish, spices that'll knock your socks off, and all sorts of handmade crafts. The energy here is off the charts. People are bargaining, music is playing. It's a full-on sensory overload in the best way possible. And you can't forget about Sultan Park. It's this green oasis right in the middle of the city. Perfect spot to escape the hustle and bustle for a bit, relax under a palm tree, and just soak it all in. Malé is definitely a city that will surprise you. It's chaotic and charming all at the same time. But hey, that's part of its magic, right? All right, guys, we're hopping over to Hulhumalé Island. Now, this place is completely different from Malé. It's actually a man-made island, built to accommodate the growing population of the Maldives. And let me tell you, they did not hold back. The beaches here are pristine. The water is crystal clear, and the infrastructure is top-notch. They've got bike paths, parks, schools, hospitals, you name it. It's like a futuristic city, but on an island paradise. We're renting bikes and cruising along the coast, checking out the beaches and grabbing some local street food. The vibe here is super chill, very laid back. It's the perfect place to unwind after the craziness of Malé. And get this, they've even got plans to build floating homes and underwater hotels here in the future. Talk about innovation. Hulhumalé is definitely a glimpse into the future of the Maldives, and I'm excited to see where they take it. Okay, you know I can't come to the Maldives without getting in the water. So we're heading out to Banana Reef, one of the most famous dive sites in the entire country. And guys, I am pumped. We're gearing up with scuba gear, strapping on our GoPros, and getting ready to dive into a whole other world. The water here is insanely clear. You can see everything below the surface. It's like swimming in an aquarium. As soon as we descend, we're greeted by schools of colorful fish, graceful rays gliding through the coral. And even a few reef sharks. It's like swimming in a National Geographic documentary. The coral reefs here are teeming with life. It's absolutely breathtaking. We spend hours exploring the reef, getting up close and personal with all sorts of marine life. I even saw a giant sea turtle just chilling on the ocean floor. It was incredible. If you're an adrenaline junkie or just a lover of the ocean, Banana Reef is a must-visit. It's an experience you won't soon forget. All right, guys, Maafushi Island of Tranquility. It's time to slow things down a bit. We're heading to Maafushi Island, known for its laid-back vibe and traditional Maldivian culture. We're ditching the fancy resorts and checking into a local guest house. The people here are incredibly friendly and welcoming, and they're excited to share their culture with us. We're spending our days strolling along the white sand beaches, swimming in the crystal clear water, and just soaking in the island life. No schedule, no plans, just pure relaxation. In the evenings, we're grabbing dinner at local cafes, trying traditional Maldivian dishes like garudia, which is a fish soup, and mashed riha akuru, a fish paste. The food here is fresh, flavorful, and so different from anything I've ever had before. Maafushi is the perfect place to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and reconnect with yourself. It's a true hidden gem in the Maldives. Okay, guys, time to live out every Instagram fantasy ever. We're at the Veligandu Island Resort and Spa. Overwater bungalows, private infinity pools, and views that could make you cry. I woke up, walked a few steps, and jumped straight into the ocean. Breakfast delivered by boat. Snorkeling off our deck, and cocktails at sunset. The staff here are incredibly warm and welcoming. They even had a personalized welcome message for me. Veligandu Island Resort and Spa is a once-in-a-lifetime experience. If you get the chance, do it. Yo guys, back in Malé, and we're switching gears from luxury resorts to a little dose of history. We're at the National Museum, and it's like opening a time capsule of Maldivian culture and heritage. Inside, you'll find everything from ancient coral stone carvings and thrones belonging to former sultans to intricate lacquer boxes and traditional fishing tools. It's a fascinating look into the history of this island nation. One of the coolest things I saw was this massive whale rib bone hanging from the ceiling. It's a powerful reminder of the Maldivian people's deep connection to the ocean. And the marine life that surrounds them. Even if you're not a history buff, the National Museum is worth a visit. It's a great way to gain a deeper understanding and appreciation for the Maldivian people and their unique culture. All right, guys, Fulhadhoo Island. A final dose of paradise. It's time for our final stop on this incredible journey through the Maldives. And trust me, we saved the best for last. We're talking Fulhadhoo Island, a tiny island in the northern part of the archipelago, known for its untouched beauty and secluded beaches. This place is the definition of paradise. Imagine white sand beaches that stretch as far as the eye can see, crystal clear turquoise water, and not a single building in sight. It's like stepping onto a deserted island, but with all the comforts of home. We're spending our days swimming, sunbathing, exploring the island on foot, and just disconnecting from the outside world. The pace of life here is slow and deliberate, and it's incredibly refreshing. In the evenings, we're watching the sunset over the Indian Ocean, the sky exploding in a riot of colors. It's the perfect way to end this unforgettable trip. Fulhadhoo Island is a reminder that sometimes the most beautiful places are the ones that are the least touched. It's a place where you can truly escape from it all and reconnect with nature. And just like that, our Maldivian adventure comes to an end. As I board this plane, I can't help but feel a sense of gratitude for the incredible experiences I've had over the past week. From the bustling streets of Malé to the tranquil beaches of Fulhadhoo, the Maldives has stolen a piece of my heart. It's a place of unparalleled beauty, warm hospitality, and a pace of life that forces you to slow down and appreciate the simple things. If you're looking for an escape from the ordinary, a chance to reconnect with yourself and experience the true meaning of paradise, look no further than the Maldives. Trust me, it's an experience you'll never forget. Until next time. Thank you for joining me on this adventure through Maldives, the tropical paradise. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, share, and hit that subscribe button. It really helped my channel grow and brings me one step closer to monetization. Your support means the world to me. See you in the next video. Until then, take care and stay awesome.